Hello everyone. Today I, Adarsh Singh, is here to tell you a very inspirational story whose name is An Honest Cadet. So now let's listen the story by me. Once upon a time there was an honest cadet who was newly posted in the unit. His name was Cadet Ram. When he arrived there, the army officer working there gave him the task or assignment of the night duty at the entrance gate of the unit. He also get an command that if the person will not answer his identity, shoot him. when when he get an ordered at at the same time, an newly posted army officer came there and asked Ram for giving him permission to get inside the unit from that entrance gate. But Ram said that please tell your identity first, then only I will be able to allow you or give permission to you. But but who knows that army officer was there to to check the to check the cadets working there or for the inspection. He shouted at Ram and warned warned him to give punishment. But Ram was an honest boy or cadet. He was not scared by this, and he asked again from the army officer to tell his identity and said, if you don't tell your identity, I will shoot you. The army officer understood that it was not very easy to make fool or to make scare Ram. And by this, he shown his ID card or identity to the Ram. And Ram checked his identity and then allowed him to get inside the unit. The officer called him on the next day. Ram was in dilemma. He thought that now he has gone. But when he entered in his cabin, the officer smiled and praised him in front of everyone and also rewarded him with many gifts and money prizes. So, by this inspirational story, we get the lesson that honesty pays and we should do our work sincerely. So, I hope you all like my inspirational story. Thank you for listening to me patiently.